हमें दे न दाता, मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना। इतनी शक्ति हमें दे न दाता, मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना। एक चले नेक रास्ते पे हम चले नेक रास्ते पे हमसे भूल कर भी कोई भूल होना। इतनी शक्ति हमें दे न दाता, मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना। दूर अज्ञान के हो अंधेरे, तू हमें ज्ञान की रोशनी दे। हर बुराई से बच के रहे हम, जितनी भी दे भली जिंदगी दे। बेर होना किसी का किसी से, भावना मन में बदले की होना। हम चले नेक रास्ते पे हम चले नेक रास्ते पे हमसे भूल कर भी कोई भूल होना। इतनी शक्ति हमें दे न दाता, मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना। सोचे हमें क्या मिला है, हम ये सोचे किया क्या है अर्पण। फूल खुशियों के बाटे सभी को, सबका जीवन भी बन जाए मधुबन। अपनी करुणा का जल तू बहा के, कर दे पावन हर एक मन का कोना। हम चले नेक रास्ते पे हम चले नेक रास्ते पे हमसे भूल कर भी कोई भूल होना। इतनी शक्ति हमें दे न दाता, मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना। मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना। मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना।
Now I would like to call upon Dishita Raj to present pledge. Dishita Raj. Dishita, you can start now. Dishita, you can start now.
India is my country, and all Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country, and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall always respect my parents, teachers, classmates, and all elders, and treat everyone with courtesy. I shall be kind to animals and plants, to my country and my people. I pledge my devotion. In their well being and prosperity alone lies my happiness. Jai Hind.
Now I'll call upon Deshna to present thought of the day.
Good morning. Today's thought is small steps in the right direction can turn out to be the biggest step of your life. I repeat my thought. Small steps in the right direction can turn out to be the biggest step of your life. Thank you and have a nice day.
Now I would call upon from secondary section to present thought, Anamika. Anamika Raghav.
Good morning to everyone. Today's thought is a teacher who is indeed wise but does not bid you to enter the house of his wisdom but rather leads you to threshold of your mind. I repeat my thought, a teacher who is indeed wise but does not bid you to enter the house of his wisdom but rather leads you to threshold of your mind. Thank you. Have a marvelous Monday.
Now I would like to call upon Aditya Nischal to present news. Aditya Nischal.
Good morning. Today's news headlines are as follows. First, national news. PM Modi pays floral tributes to Mahatma Gandhi at Rajghat on his 74th death anniversary. Corruption is like termite that makes the country hollow, says PM Modi in Mann Ki Baat. India logs over 2.34 new COVID cases with positivity rate at 14.5%. Now, international news. North Korea has conducted its biggest missile launch since 2017, which reached an altitude of 2,000 km. UK to offer NATO major military deployment in Europe to respond to rising Russian hostility towards Ukraine. Canadian PM family moved to secret location amid anti-COVID vaccine protest in Canada. Now, sport news. Rafael Nadal wins record 21st Slam title with Australian Open comeback victory over Medvedev. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Now I would like to invite Netrika Mandar madam to please come over and present bouquet to Shri J. N. Prasad sir. Netrika Mandar madam. Now I would like to call upon Shri U. N. Raj sir to please come forward and present bouquet to Shri A. Joseph Johnson. Welcome him by garlanding and present a bouquet.
कुछ लोग मिलते हैं जिंदगी में जिनसे कभी ना बिछड़ने वाला रिश्ता बन जाता है। इन्हीं पंक्तियों के साथ अब मैं बुलाना चाहूंगी हर्षिता निगम को टू प्रेजेंट अ पोएम।
सुप्रभात। माननीय श्री ए जॉन सर तथा श्री जगन्नाथ प्रसाद सर की सेवानिवृत्ति विदाई समारोह में मैं सभी महानुभावी शिक्षक गणों का सादर प्रणाम करती हूँ। आज के शुभ अवसर पर मुझे बोलने का सौभाग्य प्राप्त हुआ है। सारे विद्यार्थियों की तरफ से मैं आप सभी को शुभकामनाएं देती हूँ। मैं हर्षिता निगम कक्षा 5 वर्गीय छात्रा आज आपके सामने कविता प्रस्तुत करने जा रही हूँ। हमारे विद्यालय के आंगन में खिलता हुआ गुलाब हो आप, हमारे अंधियारे जीवन में ज्ञान का दीपक हो आप। हम सब बच्चे थे नादान, पढ़ने में नहीं था ध्यान, हमारी भूलों को माफ करके दे दिया विद्या का ज्ञान। अपनी अनमोल शिक्षा को खेल खेल में हमें सिखाया, संस्कारों का पाठ पढ़ाया, सही गलत का ज्ञान कराया। हमारे निराशारे मन में आत्मविश्वास जगा दिया, मंजिल तक पहुंचाने का रास्ता हमें दिखा दिया। प्रधानाचार्य जी हमारे आंगन को छोड़कर जा रहे हो आप, ये जीवन में सदा खुश रहो, यही हमारी प्रभु से आस। अपनी खुशबू से महकाते रहो सबकी बगिया को आप। धन्यवाद।
Thank you so much, Rashmi. Now I would like to call upon Anusha Yadav to present her speech.
A very good morning to everyone. Respected Principal Sir, Vice Principal Sir, teachers, and my dear friends. We are gathered here to bid farewell to our two highly valuable teachers, one our Principal Sir, Mr. A.J. John Sir, and other our social science teacher, Mr. J.N. Prasad Sir, who have given years of service in the teaching sector and are retiring today. And on such a special occasion, I feel honored to be given a chance to speak few words on the superannuation ceremony of Mr. J.N. Prasad Sir. Sir joined this school a few years ago and contributed so much time and effort to the students and the school. He has worked tirelessly in shaping our minds and leading us on good path. And many years have gone by. It's so amazing we don't realize how quickly time flies. It just feels yesterday, sir, when you were teaching us for the very first time. Sir, you came when I was in 6th standard, newly introduced to SST, and believe me, everyone ever told me was that it is a boring subject. You totally have to mug up it. And honestly, sir, my thoughts after seeing you entering the class for the first time was that, oh, finally the class of the very interesting subject. Not the sarcasm, but sir, you taught me to love that subject. You made me realize how important it is for us and how beautiful it can turn out to be if you truly understand it. According to me, teaching isn't effective until you are truly passionate about what you are teaching. And so, in your case, I have seen your passion for a subject. You have taught us the whole syllabus and revised each and every chapter 2 to 3 times that I can say I remember everything word to word. Teaching is a profession that creates all other profession. We are grateful that you choose to be a teacher and we learned under your umbrella of expertise. Time goes by quickly when you are having good times, and so under your guidance we had the best time. And for time well spent sometimes, departure are celebrated more than arrivals. Now, as the time have come to part, with good wishes and warm regards, we bid both of you goodbye, and we are happy because now you can explore your own interest and spend some well-deserved time with your family and friends. On the behalf of all my friends, thank you, sirs, for being there for us, for being best teachers as well as mentor. Thank you and have a nice day.
Thank you so much, Anusha. Now I will call upon Pragya to present her speech. Pragya.
Respected Principal Sir, Vice Principal Sir, teachers, and all my dear fans, wishing you all a very good morning. I'm Pragya from class 10B, and firstly, I want to thank you all for giving me this golden opportunity to thank our Honorable Principal Sir, Mr. A.J. John Sir, in this farewell event on behalf of our school. As we all know, today we all have gathered over here to honor their valuable and very precious years of service to this atomic education society as our honorable principal sir Mr. A.J. John sir and our secondary social science teacher Mr. Jagannath Prasad sir are going to retire on 31st of Jan. Teaching is a profession that creates all other professions. We all are grateful to him that Sir chose to be a teacher and we learn under his umbrella of expertise. Students don't need a perfect teacher. Students need a happy teacher who's going to make them excited to come to school and grow love for learning. John Sir is such a happy teacher who also achieves perfection in all aspects. Sir has shaped the life of thousands of students in the last 35 years of his teaching journey. As a principal, he has done exceptional work in his leadership in ACS Sunamadi, ACS Indore, ACS 2, 3 and 4 Rawatbhata have produced excellent results and attained great infrastructural development. The time goes very fast when you are having a good time. Under his guidance, we had the best time. And for the time well spent sometimes, departures are celebrated more than arrivals. All goodbyes are so hard but also special, as we have the opportunity to express how special the person is to us. On the behalf of all the students and the whole school, I want to say a huge thank you to you, sir, who taught with a great command and passion not only in the classes but also in the real world. He has encouraged us to think outside the box. He has nurtured the new plants in our school with his care wisely and lovingly. He has taught us the importance of valuing the time. He has taught us what actually counts. We all look up to him in more than one way, as he has been our teacher, principal, mentor, and guided us and showed us the right path. He has always celebrated our success as well as our failures by saying, "Well, now you know what to do." Certainly, he is the source of many teachers here as well who are enriched with his wealth of knowledge. He is a well esteemed and very respectful teacher. There is no one that can take his place in our lives, and no one is worth of filling his long shoes. We all have immense respect and heavy heart preparing to bid him farewell on 31st of Jan. Today it's time to part, and with good wishes and warm regards, we bid him a very goodbye. And in a way, we are happy as well. Now he can spend his time exploring his interest in his life and spend time with his family. At last, we all will miss you, sir, a lot. Thank you so much for being the best teacher, the best principal, the best mentor, and playing so many roles at the same time. Thank you so much.
Teacher, they need a happy teacher who can make a difference in their life. Now we move on with the program. Shri Jagannath Prasad, a generous person and a teacher with good knowledge of the subject, is liked by the students and staff equally. Mr. J.N. Prasad has joined APS in the year 1991 and got initial posting at APS Shri Rawatbhata. He has served all the three schools of Rawatbhata and today finally resigning from active service of 30 years from APS to Rawatbhata on attaining superannuation. Third, now I would like to invite Mr. J.N. Prasad. Please come forward and share his experience.
Good morning to all. Respected principal, council, vice principal, Suklaji, all the teachers. Today I am very happy because I am going to retirement from this school to complete around 30 years my service. Really, once time I retired, transport in Kaya, but after that I went to Bombay and went to the secretary suggestion, and he canceled my transfer, and again I joined school number 3. But always I work and honestly I do my job. So here, due to stability in this region, this area, again I never transferred in outside from this center. Around 18 years I completed in school number 3. Again came to school number 2 and then school number 4. around 30 years in my job. Honestly, I taught to the students, and all the students of three schools, they always respect me anywhere where they meet us. I'm very happy because once I joined in Rawatbhata in ACS2, at that time the principal was K.K. Gupta sir. This is the school I came here. In my appointment letter, there was written school number 2 and 3, both schools. But at that time, this school was running just like primary school. So Gupta sir told me that you can join school number 3 because that is the secondary school. At that time, principal was Shri Bajwa sir. Under his administration, I completed my probation confirmation, and happily I do my job. All the teachers, they are the very, very good, gentle, and always help me anytime I feel any problem. In the Google class, sometimes in the system of the, when I get any problem, they always motivated me and also help me. So I thank to all the teachers of this school, always helped me, also motivated me. Really, Johnson is very good principal and very gentle and polite person. Both we are going to retire with Johnson. It is my luck and my Sukla, very, very excellent persons and very, very gentle and polite persons. Suklaji, we were working in school number 4 and spent there about 6 years. He became the VP, vice principal in this school. He is a very laborious and a gentle person, and he is a very deserving people. And I hope that very soon he will be principal. I pray to the God. I'm very happy today. All the teachers, they are very good, gentle, and helpful. Always help me any time. I feel any time with the problem. Thank you, Lord.
Thank you so much, sir. On behalf of Atomic Energy Center School 2, Rawatbhata, we all wish you a very happy and healthy post-retirement life. The children may forget what you said, but they will not forget how you made me feel. I feel so blessed and grateful to God that I got the chance to work with my inspiration, my favorite teacher, Shri A. Joseph John. Principal Shri A. Joseph John, a thorough gentleman whose personality has redefined the words principal and boss into a human and Mr. A. J. John joined AES in 1987 as a PGT and was initially posted at ACS 3, both at ACS 3 and ACS 4, Rawatbhata. Then he got promoted as PGT and was transferred to ACS Narmada. Then he was transferred to his place of choice, ACS Kalpakkam. In 2010, Sir got another elevation in his career and was posted at ACS Guwahati as principal. From there, he got transferred to ACS Indore. In 2018, he came to ACS Rawatbhata with same capacity. Since then, He got the chance to serve in all the three schools of the center and today finally retiring from active service of 34 years from ACS to Rawatbhata on attaining superannuation. In the year he was honored by AE with the prestigious and children and parents must have noticed that since he has come to ACS to Rawatbhata, the beauty of our school has increased. You must have seen the entrance of our school and all the school, wherever he has served, other for his love for the plants and trees. So now, I would like to take this opportunity to invite the one who gives the direction to every student and teacher in the school and has always encouraged students and teachers to give their best. He makes the task of running the school smooth as effortlessly manages the most tasks with smiling face. All of us look upon him and dream of being like him. So now I would like to invite the gem of a person, Principal ACS Rawatbhata, Mr. A.J. John, to please come forward and address the gathering.
Thank you, Sandeep. And again, thanks to one and all, including my dear Vice Principal, arranged such a wonderful program for today. Dear students, when you recall, yesterday I joined, today I am moving away from this ACS to our lecture. Dear students, it is today, the important chapter in my life is going to be closed. A new chapter is going to start. For that, your prayers, your angels and my dear friends. So, your prayers are needed for me. Students, the school life is a very, very important life in our life. The school friends, they are always with us up to our end of the life. And the school teaches only behind you to push up and take your talents out and shaping you. I am also recalling when in school period, my teachers were with me for each and every activity, including my the personal hygiene, everything. But after joining the college, the professor used to come, took the class and gone. Nothing asking how you are studying, whether you followed or not. But school teachers, we are not like that. We are after teaching. At the time of reviewing, we are coming towards to you and asking whether you followed or not. In the office, come to me after school hours. Like that, we teachers are doing. And you are very thankful. Such a wonderful team of teachers are with you. They are teaching you such a enormous knowledge they are having. But utilizing there's knowledge that is depending upon you. In the crucial time of pandemic period, we arranged online classes. But here two parts. In Gita also, Lord Krishna given instruction, we are teaching. There are two persons. One is Dhritarashtra, other one is Arjuna. So he is giving offline teaching to Arjun and online teaching to Dhritarashtra. But online teaching, no effect to Dhritarashtra. But the offline teaching, that was very effective. The Arjun got the success. And Unda giving got the success. That's what, whenever I attend the classes, when the government announced to you to attend the classes, I was again to come, attend the class, you can get good knowledge. So, dear children, offline, it's okay, you don't need, but before that, online, that is good. But offline, that is very, very important for understanding point of first. You attend the offline class, why not get the chance? Whether it's still climate, rainy days, hot summer day, whatever it is there. Anybody is going to use knowledge, you please attend. Don't have a procrastination, something on the word I just saw in the mobile. Procrastination, that is our uncertainty of your action. I will do later on. I will do later on. Like that goals. Whenever you get the chance, do it immediately. Grab the opportunity and get the benefit. So when it's from coming here, down that day, one of my was moving here without a class. My teacher called me and said, okay, you can come after 140 also. No, sir, I recorded. I record. And it is recording that I say. It's not like that. You can learn, record it, first listen, then again go through it, recall it, you can get the benefits. That's what, wherever you are getting the chance to do something, you accept it and utilize it. Don't do the word procrastination.
Something bad. It's not coming in mouth also, but I saw that I utilized it.
The
The uncertainty about a particular event should be removed from your mind. And school life is a wonderful life to you. You have the school friends always with you. That's what you continue with your friendship.
Teachers also.
But within few days, understood that you made me as a leader, head of the ACS2 family. Thank you, and congratulations to you and the class students. Within 1 month, the school life of ACS Rawatbhata is going to be end. Later on, you can join ACS for some other schools, but this school life, always remembering you, it will help to you coming up in all poorly. Yeah, the CC activities in the online also we organize, in the offline also we organized, but compared to others, also I can say that our school, with the help of our principal and the vice principal and the team of the teachers, CC in charge, and the examination timetable, wonderful team work. So utilize it same way. Whenever somebody asked one of my teachers, he was a chemistry teacher, you are such a chemistry, why can't you join the scientific officer? Yeah, some pharmacy as a pharmacist. Then the person told, in the school, can dominate, I am the master. My children will listen my words. So I want in the school, in the classroom, that's what he opted the teaching profession. Well, most of us also lacked it and done it, and we are the masters, important education. We got love and affection from you. Many people used to say that, so not you are looking like the age of 60. I told, not like that, some problem there. I'm also understanding. But I told, because I am young minds, that's what mind is also very young. I am like, maybe I'm like young. That's, if you get the chance to become a teacher, professor, please. Wonderful job, noble job, and congratulations, thanks to my this teaching job. So dear children, as a teacher, what I told you, teach the school life, follow, and their advice you continue. And secondly, and taking a decision, avoid it. And whoever going to give education to you, follow it. Whether it's a rainy day, minus degree, something temperature is there, forget them and learn it. In the border in the Kashmir, soldiers in the minus 20 degree, 21, they are because of us. So you can also, climate is not at all nothing, and you can get in the early morning also if you back up and come to school. Class 10 classes is going to be started for offline. And if you miss any classes, any topic, your teachers and gets good marks. Totally 40 there for the 40 marks. Get good. I used to tell my teachers, produce 100% result, but that is in your hand only. This year also, 100% result with high quality. For encouragement, appreciation, everything for result only. Thank you teachers. You things for me very good. You accepted here. Beginning told, I can other school teachers, some of from here, they told ACS school teacher. I told no, they are all son of a mother. I am also son of a. He given love and affection, and the one which he given with love and affection, that will make a wonderful person. The teachers also and polite. She has milk to, yeah, whether it's a lady, yeah, definitely the mother's love and affection, see, and the humbleness, definitely, yes, those who are in ACS too, really, you are also like me, job to the welfare of the teachers. Yes, once again, and previously I used to say that I have retirement 3 years, 4 more years over. I am the senior most needed, but you are much essential for me. All the best to your future. Yes, dear children, up to today 5 o'clock, I'm the principal of the school. One of my teacher is going to be get retired. This is my duty to wish him. Mr. Jayan Prasad, a wonderful teacher. Already you are, and I observed many teachers used to, you were never attended my class. How you can judge myself? While moving on the corridor, I can understand well how you people are imparting the education to my dear students. That's what, while moving here and there and observing, standing few minutes outside the classroom, understood well about each and every one teacher. How much percent they are doing, how much percent they're not doing. Sometimes what happened because of the family tension, yeah, other health issues, definitely some lagging may be there, might have been there, but that is all secondary thing only. Positive things, the 100 marks it is there means what happened, you are scoring 97 marks and 3 marks, that is what your negative thing. So 97 you have to consider, 97% good quality, everything, all the teachers having, especially Mr. Jain Prasad also. Yes, done it well, and wish you a very happy retirement life to you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. I cannot put into words the way I feel, and so blessed I feel that I got an opportunity to work with you, sir. Before beginning the national anthem, I would like to inform the children that live streaming for the retirement program at ACS2 Rawatbhata will begin at 12:30 p.m. and a link will be shared in the groups. Now I'll ask everyone to get ready for the national anthem.
विनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंग विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्छल जलधि तरंगा तब शुभ नामे जागे तब शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तब जय गाथा जन जन मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
Thank you so much, one and all.